Hello to my wonderful ninth graders. As you guys can now see, I am not in class today. That is because yesterday, when I was playing in my alumni soccer game at my college where I went to school, I unfortunately blew out my knee, and I was fully planning on coming back and being there for you guys today with my giant knee brace and crutches. But I guess I'm not allowed to teach on crutches. So I am going to see a surgeon as soon as I can, and hopefully I'll be back pretty quickly. I know some of you are going to be absolutely devastated at my absence, just devastated, but you will get through it. Don't worry, you'll make it. Okay. And I know some of you are making sassy comments right now. Um, this is going to be my view for the next, I'm not sure how long, hopefully not too long, but I'm going to be sitting at home working on stuff because I cannot move at all. So my dogs are going to be happy, but I can honestly tell you that I'm going to miss being there because um, I love being there with you guys. I love teaching you, and I'm bumming out. This is not exactly what I had planned and what I wanted. So it's okay. Hopefully I'll be able to get in and get it get it fixed pretty quickly. But what you guys are doing, I wanted to kind of walk you through what you're going to be doing the next 3 days. I had mentioned last week when we had our Socratic that you guys are going to have the common assessment today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. This is the assessment that all of the ninth graders across our campus are going to be taking. What you're going to be doing is you are going to be reading and listening to Elie Wiesel's Nobel Peace Prize acceptance speech, okay? You have copies of it. You should have grabbed the packet from the front table, and you have a hard copy of his speech. The prompt is up on the board right there. It says, analyze how he develops the central idea and meaning of his speech using specific rhetorical appeals and techniques or devices, okay? Just like what we've been talking about this whole time as we've been going through and reading Knight. Okay, we're looking at the central idea and meaning, right? And looking at those rhetorical appeals. All right. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be writing an essay. The essay will include an introduction, 2 to 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. You'll use 2-chunk paragraph format for all of your body paragraphs, and of course MLA format. You're not going to have computers today because today you're just going to be working on outlining, on reading through the speech, annotating and outlining what you're going to write about. I'm working on getting computers for you guys there tomorrow. You'll either be typing your essays or writing them, depending on if I'm able to get computers for you tomorrow. Okay. So step one is what you are doing today. Step one is what you're doing today. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go through the packet right now. I want you to number the paragraphs. And you can pause this video, the sub can pause this video for a second to give you a chance to go through and number the paragraphs. Remember, whenever you're citing from the speech, you want to use the paragraph number as your citation, okay? So put in parentheses just the number. You don't need to put paragraph 1 or paragraph 3, just put the number, okay? So go ahead and go back through and number the paragraphs right now. And then once you come back, you're going to have the rest of the period to be reading and annotating the speech, okay? Go through, read it, annotate, look for rhetorical techniques. You can use the worksheets that I had handed out with the rhetorical appeals, right? You can look at ethos, pathos, logos. You can use any of those notes that you have, any of the sheets with the specific devices. Look at syntax, look at tone, look at similes, metaphors, personification, any of these devices, any of these techniques or appeals that we've been looking at through this whole time. Look really focused on those ethos, pathos, logos, okay? Review real fast, what ethos is, pathos, logos. Again, you can use notes if you need to, okay? Once the sub is going to give you about 20 minutes to go through and read quietly, and then you'll be able to work in your groups a little bit on filling out that graphic organizer, okay? You'll be able to share some ideas, fill out the graphic organizer in your group, and let me open this up for you so you can kind of see it. So this is the packet that you guys should have out on your desk right now. right, with different steps. There are 7 paragraphs that you're going to be analyzing, that you are citing, okay? You're going to be reading and annotating the speech. Again, consider the author's development of the main idea, okay? Then you're going to be collaborating using the graphic organizer provided. The graphic organizer is at the back of your packet right here, okay? And I want you guys to collaborate on this. You can discuss in your group, you can talk in your groups about the specific rhetorical appeals, okay? You'll have about 20 minutes to annotate quietly, about 10 minutes to talk with your groups, and then you'll have the last 10 minutes or so of class to be organizing your essay, okay? The next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to have to actually write your essay, okay? So today's for planning, and then tomorrow and Wednesday, you're going to be writing your essay, okay? If you have questions, ask Mr. Funny or ask the sub. Send me an email if you have any issues, any questions. But otherwise, good luck. You guys are going to do awesome. Remember everything that we've been talking about, going over. I have no doubt that you guys will do a really great job with this. And believe it or not, I am going to miss you. Okay, I'll keep you posted on what I find out from my doctor's appointment and how quickly I'll be able to be back in the classroom. Okay. Have a fantastic week, you guys. Good luck with this, and hopefully I'll see you soon.